Unit CF activity 4. This is the fourth diagram of the plan. Y is increase the speed, and the second is at the time it reached the speed of the taxi, so it is taxiing at a constant speed. For the first one, because it needs to increase the speed, so the pilot put the engine force on it and make it increase speed because the unbalanced force. But for the second one, because the force is balanced between when he reduce the engine force and it balanced with the opposite force, so it will move with a constant speed. Page 40. This is the diagram of the four that when the bird fly up in the opposite direction and it hit on the car, so both of them exert the same force on each other according to the third law of Newton. But because the rate of change in speed is different, because the strength of force is the same, but the bird have a mass lighter than the car, so it's easy to damage than the car, and that is why it's become damaged. Page 43. This is the diagram to show the problem when the passenger claim the driver suddenly stopped the bus and the luggage fall backward and hit the passenger. So here the two diagram. The first is for the bus when it suddenly stopped, so the force of friction and press on the bus make it decrease and stop, while the case still moving because the friction force on the case is small and no other bigger force add on it, so it continue moving in the same direction with the motion of the car. That's why it will move forward, not move backward, and the passenger tell the life.